Hi, it's Sam Ruisi, and today I'm absolutely honoured to have been appointed the selling agent for 45 Jane Street here in Smithfield. Now, this property was the first ever property to be built on this street, and the original owners have appointed me to sell this property for the first time in over 65 years. What a fantastic testament to this timeless home. Ladies and gentlemen, that's enough about the history. Let's talk about the house. Let's take a closer look. Like a fine wine, this property has aged quite well. This solid double brick home offers 3 large bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes. With high ceilings throughout, it awards gorgeous timber wall panelling, separate lounge and family rooms, and a solid timber kitchen. Loaded with potential, it offers a colossal, fully tiled swimming pool and a massive garage which can fit up to 4 cars with plenty of workshop space. Nestled on approximately 911 square metres with over a 20-metre frontage, it has plenty of options to either renovate, knock down and rebuild your dream home, or simply subdivide into 2 lots subject to the approval of Fairfield City Council. Ladies and gentlemen, you know how rare this opportunity is, so I look forward to seeing you at the next open for inspection, and always remember, selling is easy when you sell with Sam Ruisi.